Bodycam footage was released, showing two female officers from the police unit entering the Watts home shortly after Shanann and her daughters were reported missing to investigate their disappearance. And what the officers discovered inside left them utterly stunned.
So there's your attic access right there.
So there's plenty of first under here.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. What in the world is that?
Wow.
Go in there and step on that little blue thing and see if that's where that
Yeah, it sounded like a kid toy.
It might. It sort of sounds like it.
Something. There was a. I heard it.